Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. I did a recently huge step forward and I first time in my life rented the real professional garage. So in this video you can come with me for a tour. Here you can see the Mini, which still I will be doing that clutch on it, and here is the shop. I'm super excited. We just put those columns, the lift up. They were just stored here on the ground and my friend just helped me to lift it up. It was really heavy. This is brand new for me. I just barely moved those toolboxes here and the Mini and everything. So this is new situation and I'm trying to figure out if even I will be able, ideally, to put here 2 car lifts. The space here, it's 24 feet wide. The door is 12. And basically here the distance, it's 30 feet in that corner. It has really cool loft. Let me show you really quickly that I don't waste your time, but I'm super excited. Look at this. Look at these incredible opportunities here. I just can't wait to set up the lift and have the tools and everything ready and start working here. I'm coming back down. What is also super cool and practical, I have my own restroom. So this is definitely plus, right? I really like this place. There is additional space below the stairs right here, right? There is a circuit breaker. I already put a small steel table here, and obviously all this stuff needs to be unpacked. Last but not least, I would love to show you the office. And again, sorry for the mess, but I'm basically moving in, and this is the situation where I am. But this is a really nice space too, right? I move that, you can see it right here, the different view. There's a nice window and the door. What is really incredible, it's actually the fact that if you look over there in this direction, there is actually local brewery. So I really hope you like my new shop, and obviously I need to set it up really quickly, and I will continue working on that Mini and filming all this stuff, all these technical things for you. So please stay tuned, be subscribed, because videos are coming very soon. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friend.